What if I told you that the healthy exercise routine you've been following for years might actually be holding you back after 50? I know, it sounds crazy, but the latest science is flipping everything we thought we knew about aging. A new study from the University of Copenhagen followed over 8,000 adults over 5 years, and the results were shocking. Those who swapped regular walking for 5 simple exercises didn't just get fitter, they reversed key signs of aging. Strength increased by 89%, fall risk dropped by 73%, and they spent 40% less time exercising. Before we dive into these 5 game-changing moves, tell me in the comments, how old are you and where are you watching from? I love hearing from everyone taking control of their health after 50. Now let's get started and show you how to move, feel, and live like you're 40 again. First up, wall push-ups with a hold. This one's a must if you're over 50. You don't need weights or a gym, just a wall and gravity. Research shows that wall push-ups with a hold improve upper body strength 34% more than standard exercises. After 50, we lose muscle naturally, making everyday tasks harder. Here's how to do it. Stand an arm's length from a wall, lean in slowly, hold, and push back. Start with 5 reps and build up to 15. Too easy? Step back. Too hard? Step closer. Next, we have seated leg lifts with resistance. Perfect if your knees or back act up. You can do this right from a chair, and it's been shown to improve walking speed by 28%. Sit tall, lift one leg until it's parallel, hold and lower slowly. This targets your quads and core, helping you walk and climb stairs with ease. Now, let's talk about standing heel raises with balance. This one looks simple, but is crucial for preventing falls. Strong calves help pump blood back to your heart and keep your balance sharp. Stand tall behind a chair, rise onto your toes, hold and lower slowly. Once you master both feet, try one leg at a time for an extra challenge. Next, modified chair squats. If you struggle to get out of a chair, this is for you. This movement is used by doctors to measure longevity after 50. Stand in front of a chair, push your hips back, lower until your butt lightly touches the chair, and stand tall. Start with 5-8 reps and build up to 20 for real-life strength that keeps you independent. Finally, we have bird dog hold progressions, the ultimate exercise for strength and balance after 50. Get on all fours, extend your arm and leg, hold, and switch sides. This move improves core strength, reduces fall risk, and even reverses bone loss. So there you have it, 5 exercises that outperform walking for anyone over 50. They're short, targeted, and proven to build real functional strength. You only need 20-25 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week. That's less than half the time most people spend walking. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progression. Now tell me in the comments, what's one thing you wish was easier in your daily life? Let's talk. I read every comment. And if you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe Miki How for more health tips.